it's Mother and I. She had her appointment, and we are starving Marvin's. We are sitting here in the car having ourselves some Lee's famous recipe chicken. You know we are. Oh my goodness. And there's this most beautiful kitty meow who is over here saying, "Where's mine? I need a bite," because I've been giving these other kitties bones. You got a bone, Mama? I'm giving these other kitties bones. Oh, and he just ran away thinking I was trying to hit him. Bless it. Okay, guys. That's not my potato wedge right there. Somebody else did that. But we are sitting in the parking lot because it was pouring down the rain, as you can see. And there was oh, look at that adorable calico with a black tail, and the very end of his tail is black. Look at him. Get over there and get that bone, darling. Kitty, want a bone? Go, kitty, want a bone? Yeah. Go get it, baby. Oh, and then I think about how good Sugar Lumpus has it. And these sweet babies are stray, scared cats out here in the dark, in the nighttime, living. Right in there's one that I already fed earlier, living down inside there. But look at that sweet baby. Look at his tail. He's got a little white dot on the end of that black tail, you guys. It's me. It's me, Dora, that yarn zebra, with Mama here. And we just got through with her appointment. And it's not even 5 o'clock and it's getting dark here already. Right. Oh, the kitty is down in there wiping his mouth because he has enjoyed his bone. And that little one is going, "Hey, where's my bone?" I don't know if you can see that one down in there. See him moving around? He's wiping his face because he ate. Come on, get the bone I threw you, silly kitty. Come on, get that bone. Come on, get the bone, baby. You see that? You see that bone? Go get it. Oh, he's gonna get it. Look. He goes, "Oh my goodness, yum. Yum, 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 yum." Is that good? Oh, whoops, we got the rain coming down, y'all. Run, kitty, run. Run for shelter. Oh, he's running. Where did he go? Oh, please don't go under my car. Uh-oh, Mama, I don't know where he went. But it's raining. It's raining cats. No, it's not. What kind of drink did you get?
Me?
Yeah. What is that? Diet Dew.
Diet Dew.
Yeah, it is a Diet Dew.
Praise the Lord.
We're gonna go over to the we're gonna go over and get your prescription over at the pharmacy. I'm waiting for them to fill it, I hope.
Oh, God.
So that you can have it.
Little white car, John.
Oh, my goodness, yeah. Well, look, guys, I did. I sat right here in my car and ate. It's 4:57 p.m. 61 degrees here in Kentucky, December the 16th, 2021. And this is going to be it. This is going to be it. Are you ready to finish up? Mama got mashed potatoes. I got wedges, and y'all, they're all gone. I did. I chewed up my wedges. And them poor kitties out there in the rain. I hope they're friends because they can, like, you know, run up under that thingy. Hi, I see him in there. I see that one. He's in there, right there. Share the shelter, honey. Uh-oh, window's going back up. Getting my car wet in here, y'all. I am. Well, something happened today. There was some boys that, well, they're not boys. They were full-blown grown men, weren't they, Mama? There was some full-grown blown men came and did some maintenance work on my house. Yeah, well, the loo was broken. It wouldn't flush unless you pulled up the gadget on the inside. You had to take the back lid off of the commode and pull up on something to make it flush. Well, that got fixed today. Well, what do you think, Mama, when they came?
Scared the little cat to death.
And what'd you think about them boys that came to do the maintenance?
Dirty as they could be.
Huh?
I thought they were dirty.
They were dirty as they could be. Did they look like crooks?
Yep.
Mama thought they looked like crooks, y'all. They were maintenance men. They didn't have any outfit on that said maintenance. They just looked like a bunch of boys from the hood. What was their hair like?
Stringy.
Long and stringy. And their breeches weren't pulled up on their buttocks right. They could barely walk because if they walked a certain way, their pants would fall right down. No joke. No joke. This is the facts. Fact of the matter. You didn't get no toothpicks?
No.
I don't have any toothpicks either. But that was some good fried chicken from Lee's Famous Recipe Fried Chicken. Y'all ever eaten there? Lee's Famous Recipe Fried Chicken. Right there. There it is. And look at that rain, you all. It's a good thing that we just went through the drive-thru and got this because we're having some serious rain happening right now over here. And we're not the only ones that ordered our chicken and they're sitting in the car eating it. The lady over there is doing the same thing. So, Mama's eating her last piece of chicken thigh, our favorite piece. I've got the heat on so hot in here, we're about to melt down. But I figured that I got a day behind on my Vlogmas. So this is day 16. I have my footage for day 15. I just have to edit it and put it up. So we're just chilling here. Chilling. And Mother had labs drawn today. They filled up 5 vials. Yeah, 5. They did 5 vials. She hasn't had labs done in a while. So they wanted to check her thyroid, her cholesterol, her blood sugar, her A1C. Let's see what else.